Very good morning, friends, traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. As daily routine, I'm coming up with the week's levels for your trade. The week's levels calculated are on the lower side 24,494 and on the upper side 24,938. And weekly high to be 25,305 and weekly low to be 24,127. Coming to the analysis, if you see, this is Monday. Monday means previous week. The trend had started over here from there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Monday, Tuesday was a down move, and Thursday, Friday was a nowhere. It stayed in the range. So Friday, it closed in the range. So after 2 days of down move, the market went sideways and it was a drop down. And market dropped down to the previous low rally. Actually, the market took, this was a complete imbalance. The expansion was within one day, Friday, and the next day, half day through, Monday. So, this imbalance was covered within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, weekly. Now, yesterday, on Monday, the market showed gap down and some symptoms of V-shaped recovery in the market. And finally, closing around 24,716. It appears that market intentionally, the smart money has created a range. This was the range breakdown, and there is liquidity, static liquidity available in this area. Who are the writers, the call writers? Around 24,876. These are the very latest writers. And their stop loss money is here in the system. So, and if we closely observe here, the market has gone, same type of price action. Market has gone above this box, consolidation box that created previous week and taken liquidity above this. So since the market has taken liquidity above this and there are liquidity available in the market over here, and market will, to take the liquidity, the smart money has to put in more money to buy all those shares. When they have put in so much of money to buy all those shares, they will be profitable only if they mitigate that. That means market may try to go there. The market will absorb this liquidity. If they absorb and continue this liquidity to the upside, the market can proceed towards the 24,987 or 25,070. Today levels are 24,938. What we need to see is after absorption of this liquidity, if the market continues to the upside, then in this week we can see market going towards this, and even it can cross the level, this level, consolidation level, and it can move higher. That is possibility. Otherwise, if it stalls around this area, and starts reverses, then a total complete range market will try to move down. We need to see, it looks like, see, it's an top, market came down, rallied, and so this level, if it takes this level, then we can anticipate for a, if we can anticipate that it is a reaccumulation what it has taken place. Otherwise, we can consider it as a distribution what has taken place in the market. For leave aside all those things, for today, the why this market can move upwards if it starts more, since it is a V-shaped recovery, it can continue above this box 24,885 and it can achieve the daily high of 24,938. The market has closed around 24,760. 716 here. Okay. From this level to the VIX high is 223 points. Almost 1 ATR of the daily ATR of the, not 1 ATR, 240 to 250 points of the 1 ATR, but it is at the distance of 1 ATR, though we can clearly anticipate for the up move. And also if you measure this move, yesterday's move, that is 219 points and equidistance of the measured move will come to 24,963. Measured move will come around. Since it is the market yesterday itself, in the beginning itself, call CE buying was taken place. It was a beautiful day. If the market gaps up, you must also anticipate for the gap up also. Here there is a small box. If it gaps up above 24,800 like this, if it gaps up, and then if it comes down little bit in the market, testing this level 24,754, and if it starts moving higher, the market can go past this level 24,938. The opening, this is the box actually. There is liquidity available here and sellers are active. Why I am showing it to you with the fixed range volume profile. If I apply the fixed range volume profile from this area, the sellers have dominated in this area. Even if I take the fixed range volume profile and apply there, this is the area. And these are the buyers, they have been trapped over there. So this is the developing POC and the POC is here. Developing POC is placed around 24,839. That's what I'm telling you. If it goes there, market gaps up to this level, and if it starts coming down in the initial session, and if it reverses, then it will be a very good thing. Yesterday, it was a gap down, huge down move. Today, what can happen is probably market can gap up from this level to this level, and it may face some sort of resistance around this level, and it may start trading down and it may reverse, because market has planned for that. It has created box by box. The liquidity boxes are there available here, here and here. Already the liquidity has been grabbed in this box, and this is a huge box. Market can a huge liquidity available for the market. It has been created intentionally. So the smart money can travel through this and it can reach this target today. That is my expectation. Let us see what it will happen. Coming to the Bank Nifty, if I zoom out, it has already crossed this. It is already 55,977. It has already hit this level in the market. So now Bank Nifty is ready to move higher to the level of 56,405. And the first support is around 55,401. Suppose in case if it resists and starts trading down, it can come down to 55,401 and 56,405 are the immediate levels to watch out for. And the second resistance are placed, it is very far off, 57,235, and second support is around 54,571. Even the Bank Nifty has undergone through sideways through the month, which from starting from April, May, now we are in the June. So this is the peak low and this is peak high. So if the market wants to move higher, breakout has to come. Suppose if it starts breaking out of this range, huge move will come in the Bank Nifty towards the level of 57,235. If it fails or stalls, if it wicks to this level, 56,405, it can start its downward journey because there is a huge imbalance here. That imbalance has not been covered in the market. Okay, friends, I wish you all happy trading day. Trade with caution. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.